Good morning. That's the only traffic light in Dipolog. Oh no, there's two actually. There's one in Galas, the one in Turno. Got some new shoes and new sunglasses for Bella. She's so happy.
She couldn't wait, she cried.
She even come and show me the glasses. Like, look daddy, I got new glasses. Try a bit of the Chinese. It's not too bad. Shark fin.
You like this?
You like it? She likes it, okay. They got hot pot. Not bad.
Yeah, I like it.
Maybe we do one day. But we need to be at least 4 people. And then they got the dim sum. Good choice. We just grabbed this one today, just to try. Not bad, but yeah.
See, she like it.
Not bad. Yeah.
No more. No more. I'm getting good now. I'm getting better now.
They got some dessert as well. Water. The Chinese was very quick, but this one here we ordering some as well. It's always so slow. Maybe because it's freshly cooked, I'm not sure. Oh, the microwave is slower than this one.
So we ordered kebab rice and then a beef wrap. Shawarma.
I got some beef last week, I love it. Jam got chicken. And I love the rice. I bought an expensive saffron to make the rice yellow for paella, and this, I don't know how they do this. It's yellow. Probably chemical colorant. Jam order another wrap again. Okay, I'm looking at storage box for the storage room. I found those one here for drills or small things, screws, whatever. That's not bad. I will take 4. They're only 55 peso each. And I'm gonna grab 2 of those for now. I know I'm gonna put something in there for sure. You haven't paid yet. You're in trouble. Yeah. She loves ice cream, my God. That's my iced coffee. Another quick stop. I bought a small size paella pan. I will do just a small one for now, just for Jam and I and the baby. just to refresh my memory. And then we'll do a big one and get some friend over. Oh, look at those clouds. Yeah, just try my luck. It's raining heaps, guys. And we still have to buy the fish and a few things here in this market. Mother again? You miss your mother again? Mommy buy fish and stuff. Oh, the weather's terrible. It's gonna be some flood for sure. I'm glad we're finishing shopping soon. I'd like to buy some bread, pan we call it, and some dog food as well. I'm gonna buy some fish and rice here. Some corn rice for the doggies. Already bought the dog food. Good morning. It's been a lazy day today. It's no lunchtime yet. See when gotta start doing something. I know we have to clear this veranda. I bought some storage box, which we're gonna bring it here. Start filling up things and bring upstairs the storage room. Can't wait. This area is cleared and nicely set up. Okay, that's what I bought at City Hardware, and didn't have a big bag, just small, so I can finish the storage room as I was short of screw. Too expensive like that, but that's what I had. My favorite drink. That's for when I do the floor again on the veranda. That smells very nice. That's for the toilet. That's the some of the box I bought. $65. Yeah. 55 pesos. Wow. Okay. Alright, and all that cost me 2,480 pesos. It's mainly because that Soligno is very, very good. It's 1,800 pesos. Yeah. And that will protect my timber. Well, I work hard. Okay, time for lunch anyway. Lunchtime. Oh yeah.
It's for daddy, huh? Mommy and daddy.
Yeah, good morning.
Daddy can have it.
Breakfast time. Almost finished mine. Bella's thought about share with mommy a nice omelette. Yeah. Hot? She say hot. Yeah, this live stream this morning was good. Anyway, gonna finish, empty the veranda. They finish empty all this, except her. It's not much at all. And we'll move this shelf upstairs, carport. That's gonna be a problem with my back, but it has to go. Almost there. Just to bring this shelf upstairs, the carport. This will go to the porch. Okay, before going any further and making the veranda really nice and cozy, we needed to install this. And that's in our next video. Lunchtime, guys. Look what Jam has made.
That's a tuna.
Tuna JM. Okay, tuna JM. And she made some special toast. Baby, daddy talking. I made some special toast. She made some special toast. What do you put in there? Butter?
Cream cheese.
Cream cheese and?
Blueberry cream cheese. And the
Blueberry
butter.
cream cheese.
Cook with butter.
Yep, with butter.
Cheese, daddy.
Yum. Cheers, biggies.
She was complaining because of the movie.
Yum.
You wanna try?
Okay, that's it. That's it.
Okay.
Thank you for watching this video. Until the next video. Take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.